Keep the goods flowing smoothly. Dive into LSPM's online logistics and supply chain management courses and arm yourself with the expertise to optimize supply chains. From managing distribution networks to implementing lean logistics strategies, our courses empower you to become a logistics expert. Don't just move goods, streamline processes. Enroll now in LSPM's online logistics and supply chain management courses and unlock your potential in the world of logistics. Join us and become a leader in logistics. Your journey to becoming a logistics expert starts here with LSPM. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.